Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Trailhead explanations. In this video, we are going to cover unit create object relationships from the module data modeling. This is the second unit of this module. So we will be creating two custom fields here. The data type of the first field will be master detail and the label will be property. The second one will have the data type as lookup and label will be contact. Both these fields will be created on custom object offer, and this offer object we have already created in our first unit challenge. So make sure you are using the same Trailhead playground for this challenge as well. Now, before we start further, we have one quick setup to do. That is, we have to create this property object as well for this Trailhead playground. This property object details have been described in our previous unit, that is first unit. So I will quickly go to the first unit from here, understand custom and standard object. We will land on this page of the first unit. Now here we have to go to create a custom object. Click on this, it will scroll down to this step over here. Now here we have to create this property object. So I will launch my Trailhead playground from my challenge 2. And in this Trailhead playground, I will be creating the property object described in our first unit. So you will land on this starter page. Now from here, click on this gear-like icon, you will go to home setup page. Now click on this object manager, and here we have to create a new custom object by the name property. So click on create and then select custom object option. Now from the first unit, just copy this name property, and going back to the object detail page, I will be pasting this property name in the label text area. So I'll paste it over here. For plural, I will paste this, but with properties, it will be properties. And rest, we do not have to change anything. Everything will be auto-populated, but we have to check this checkbox or setting over here, which is launch new custom tab. So select this setting and you are good to go and save it. So we have created this quick requirement that we have before we move further with this challenge. So here we have to select tab style as well. So click on this magnifying glass and it will open a few options for us. Select any of the tab style that you want. So I'm selecting fan over here. You can select any other and just click on next. Click on next again. And finally click on save. These were the few settings like for which profile you want to make this tab visible and everything. I'm not going into depth for that. Now, we have to go back to our challenge now. So this is done. I've created this property object described in the first unit. Now, coming back to our unit 2 challenge, we have to create two custom fields. So I will go back to my object manager again. And here I'm going to create two fields on the offer object. So in quick find, just type offer and it will filter out for you this offer object. Go to fields and relationship and click on new, as we have to create new field with the data type master label, master detail. So I will select this option and click on next. Here I have to mention the related object will be property. So I will go back to the here. I will select property from here, scroll down to alphabet P and select property. Click on next. And the details for that is given. Label will be property, name will be property as well. So I will go back here. Everything is has been auto-populated. We do not have to change anything as per the challenge. Yeah, we do not have to change anything. Just click on next. Now here, this is field level security, like for which profile you want this to be visible or for which profile it has to be read only. This is the offer layout option, like if you want this, so this is mandatory to play, it will place this field property on the page layout of offer object, right? Now click on next again. And here also we do not have to change anything. This will place this related list on offer object. Click on save. Now the first master detail field has been created. Now we have to create a lookup field with contact object. So I will scroll down and select review button against lookup relationship. Click on next. Now from this related to drop down, just scroll down to contact object option. Here you go. Select this option, click on next. Again, here the field name will be auto-populated. We do not have to change anything else. Click on next again. And the permissions for field level security for profiles, whether you want this to be visible or read only based on your profiles, all the settings come over here. Click on next again. This is page layout setting. Click on next. And again, page layout settings for related list, and click on simply save. So the two fields that are mentioned in our challenge has been created. Go back to your challenge. The only thing we have to do over here is check your challenge. So click on this button and wait for it to give out the output. There you go. This unit has been completed. In the next video, we are going to cover further more units and challenges. Till then, take care. Thank you.